Tutorial: CLP Smart and SKF eLube app main settings. This tutorial refers to the instructions for using the SKF eLube app. This tutorial will introduce the main functions of the CLP Smart and the SKF eLube app. You will get an overview of the app and learn how to connect your mobile device with the pump, and how to view and change app settings. How to connect to a pump. Open the SKF eLube app on your phone and allow the app to use Bluetooth. The app starts automatically to search for any SKF pump within reach, and connects immediately as soon as it detects a device. The app is ready to monitor the pump remotely. App overview. The SKF eLube app comes with 4 main screens: Info, Monitor, Settings, and Logbook. After successfully connecting to a pump, the app starts with the monitor screen. You can view the pump information by clicking on the info icon. To view the current pump settings, click on the gear icon. On this screen, you can also edit and share the settings. You can access the logbook screen by clicking on the book icon. The logbook gives access to lists of events, warnings and error messages, which you can share. How to view and change the app settings. Go to the app's start screen by pressing the 3 horizontal bars on the top left-hand corner. Tap the gear icon to access the app settings. You can select the operation language of the app. Confirm your selection with OK. By moving the slider, activate or deactivate display deviation from regular lubrication cycle. We recommend leaving it activated. Read the manual for more information.